Good morning students, my name is Rahul Sharma. Today we are going to study about how a letter to the editor is to be written, which is a part of formal letters. So now we will start. Students, here for your understanding, I have prepared this letter to the editor, which is a part of formal letters. And I want to tell you that every formal letter always starts with the sender's address, which should be written towards the upper left hand corner of the page this way, and it should be written in 2 or maximally 3 lines. And also in the end of each line you are not going to put any comma, it should be plainly written this way. And then you have to leave the space of a line and mention the date of the day. Then once again leave a line and mention the receiver's address, which should also be written in 3 lines only. Then leave a line once again and mention the subject. The subject should be written in as few words as possible, because it is to be written briefly and precisely. Okay, then you have to mention the salutation. In the salutation you have to write either sir or madam, but keep this thing in your mind that the initial letter of either of these words should start with a capital letter. Then the body of the letter, in which you are going to write 3 paragraphs. The first one is introductory paragraph, in which you have to give just a brief introduction. Okay, then in the second paragraph you have to give a detailed description of the whole problem or of the whole subject matter. And in the last paragraph you have to conclude your letter with either a request or with some suggestion. Then you have to show your sincere thanks to the reader by writing thanking you and yours sincerely. In the word yours, you are not going to put any apostrophe. Okay, then in the last you have to write your own name. Okay, this is how we have to prepare a letter to the editor. Now we will read the question and the letter as well. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily creating awareness about the wastage of food in lavish Indian weddings. Lavish means expensive. So here the address of the sender is written: D91 Uttam Vihar Station Road, New Delhi. Then we have mentioned the date 6th of May 2020. Then after leaving a line we have mentioned the receiver's address, the editor, the Times of India, New Delhi. Then after leaving the space of a line we have mentioned here the subject: creating awareness about the colossal wastage of food in lavish Indian weddings. Colossal means huge. After leaving a line we have mentioned here sir, and after writing sir we are not going to put any comma here. Okay, then the first paragraph starts: through the columns of your highly esteemed newspaper I wish to draw the attention of the commoners means common people, towards a very grave problem of colossal wastage of food in lavish Indian weddings. Grave means serious. Colossal, as I have already told you, colossal means huge. Okay, so in the first paragraph we have just given a brief introduction to the problem. Okay, now the second paragraph has started. India is a nation where people spend the savings of their whole life on the marriages of their near and dear ones with great enthusiasm. Very often in such lavish weddings the wastage of food in great amount is also seen. It is really a matter of great concern. Concern means worry. Since India is a nation where every day so many people die of hunger, such people fail to get 2 squares of meal. 2 squares of meal means meal which a person successfully gets twice a day, and the meal should be balanced and healthy. Okay, so we can say a healthy balanced meal that a person successfully gets twice a day in a day owing to their destitution. Owing to means because of, and destitution means poverty. So in this second paragraph we have given a detailed description about the problem of the wastage of food, and we have told that this problem needs immediate attention. Okay, then the third paragraph starts. Now I request you to publish a very influential article in your newspaper showing the gravity. Gravity means seriousness of the situation and the necessity not to waste food. Here in the third paragraph, we have told that this problem is really very serious, and in this third paragraph we have concluded the letter with the request that this letter should be written or should be published in the newspaper so that the commoners may pay attention to the problem and try to understand the gravity or the seriousness of the situation. Okay, then thanking you, yours sincerely, Kashish Tyagi. So I think you have understood. Hope you all have understood the letter and its format. Even then, if you have any problem, then you may ask me by sending the message. Thank you.